Here is how you can split a video into two parts on the iPhone. You can use the built-in Photos app in case you don't want to download any third-party video editor. That's going to be fine in this case, but using a video editor might be useful as well. I'm going to get to it later. So just open up the Photos app and go to the video section or locate any videos that you want to split into two parts, right? So let's say it's going to be this one right here. What I can do in this case, let me just delete the duplicate right here. Essentially, what I can do in here is just to click on the edit button on the video, and the slider in here is going to allow me to just trim the video as much as I want, right? So I can do it this way, right? So that's going to be pretty useful. And I can just decide that I'm going to just split it at exactly 7 seconds or 6:59, whatever. It just depends on how precise I want to be with it. So let's say that it's going to be 0 to 7 seconds. I'm going to hit done and save the video as a new clip, right? So what we have right now is two clips. One is 7 seconds long, the other one is 15. So I'm going to click on the original one again, tap on edit, and again grab it from the other side. So I'm going to just go to the 7-second mark as well, like this. I'm going to hit done and save video as a new clip. So what I pretty much ended up doing is that I just split this 15-second video into 7 and 8 seconds parts. So pretty useful, and it depends on what you want to achieve with this, but here's the first half, here is the other half, so it just works, right? But for more control, I would definitely recommend you to get a CapCut or some kind of other video editor where you can just import the clip and you can easily just click on split and you have like two parts. You can reorganize it, perhaps shorten it, enlarge it, do whatever you need. And there are like plenty more options for video editing in like a specific video editor. So yeah, it depends, but you can do it in both ways. So I'm going to wrap it up right now. Hope you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.